So if you have a daily task, then what you can actually do is you can utilize Claude as a daily planner as well. For example, you can go ahead and say something like, let's say, for example, I have 8 tasks to complete. Prioritize them for me. So I can go ahead and say something like this. So I have like 8 tasks to complete, prioritize them for me. So it says, I'd be happy to prioritize your 8 tasks. What are they? So I'm just going to go ahead and say check emails, and I'm going to say write script, record video. Let's say, for example, make a report. So these are like 4 tasks right here. And now I'm going to go ahead and say give a training, do a short 10 minutes video review. Let's say, for example, right here, take 12 photographs in a studio right here. So you can see that I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 right here. And I'm going to go ahead and say write meeting minutes right here. So now these are the 8 tasks, as you can see, and I told it to prioritize the tasks right here. So it says to give you the most useful prioritization, I need a bit more context, and you can see that it is getting the details ready right here, just like this. And it'll ask you for any details that is necessary as well. So you can see that this is what you have. So you can see it says the task details are what a time frame are you working with right here. So I'm just going to say today only right here. So that is what I have, and which task has hard deadline right here, just like this. So you can go ahead and then, let's say, for example, select this out. So which task has hard deadline or are time sensitive? So I'm just going to say 10-minute video review is there, and let's say writing meeting minutes, recording video, write script. These are hard deadlines. So what is your main priority right now? Quick win first, hardest first, deadline driven right here. So I'm going to say deadline driven, and I'm going to go ahead and continue. So once I go ahead and do that, what happens is that based on the answers that you gave right here, it says here's your prioritized task list for today, and it'll go ahead and it starts lining up the task, as you can see right here, and then gives out. Let's say, for example, it says check emails first, which is a quick win. Then it says write the script right here because it is urgent. Then it says record video because it is urgent. Then it says take 12 studio photograph right here. Then 10-minute video review, which is urgent as well. Then it says give a training, write meeting minutes, which is urgent, and then finally make a report. So you can see that it has prioritized the task right here according to the data that you have given it right here, just like this. So that is basically how you can go ahead and then utilize Claude AI as a daily task assistant easily. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.